This is Centenary City, one of the most biggest and fastest growing estates in the heart of Enugu, Nigeria. It is located along the Port Harcourt Expressway and it is home to so many new estates. And in this video, we're going to be touring one of the properties up for sale in the sub-estate known as Portal Lifestyle Estate. The Portal Lifestyle Estate is one of the fastest developing estates in the Centenary City with lots of tastefully finished mansions and duplexes. The estate is gated with a 24/7 security surveillance with other features like a leisure center that includes a sit-aside football pitch, a swimming pool, a salon, and a shopping center, which is accessible to every inhabitant of this estate. Now, this house we're about to see is a luxurious 5-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a swimming pool upstairs that sits on a 500 square meter parcel of land with space large enough to park 5 cars or more. Meanwhile, if you're just coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Favor Opara and I'm going to be taking you around and inside this beautiful property. So while you're here, just make sure to be subscribed and tap on the notification bell so you're alerted anytime I post new videos. Okay, so now let's start the tour. Starting from the gate post or the security post, you could just see greenery just around the houses. Now let's check out the back of the house to see how it looks like. So yeah, this is what the back of this building looks like. Okay, and let's go back and then go inside to explore what this house or this property has in store for us. So please make sure you keep your money. Just be preparing your money because this house is not going to be in the market for so long. So just keep your money, okay? Okay. Now we just entered through the front door. This is the first door that will lead you inside the house, and just by the right hand side here is the guest toilet with a very fancy beautiful toilet seat. And then this is the main entrance to the living area. This is how big, this is how massive this living area is. Like you saw from the title of this video, this house is 130 million naira. It's a very new house that is just left with few installations to be made in the toilet or restroom areas. So all you need to do is to get your money and reach out to the contacts that will be dropped in the description box or on the screen. Okay, so we're going to be touring this beautiful property as you've seen from the outside. So we're going to be entering the inside of the property now. This is the entrance. We've already entered, but this is the entrance to the sitting room. And yeah, this is the sitting room. Very beautiful. As you can see, the lighting, the finishing is really superb. Then the outside. Okay, we're still going to clear this place, but then yeah, this is it. Then over there is the entrance to the staircase. Then over here is another entrance to the kitchen. This is the kitchen. These are the cupboards. Unfortunately, this apartment doesn't come with a fridge. It just comes with cooker and a washing sink that will be here. So this is what the cupboard looks like with tabletop granite, and then the back with enough storage spaces and a pantry. And this is the kitchen. the parlor, entrance to the parlor. Then this is another room downstairs. You can serve as your guest room. Actually, your guest room. This is a cupboard, a wardrobe. Sorry. Yeah. And then the back. Yeah. Then the toilet, which is still under work, but then with time it will be cleared. So as soon as you can pay for this property to be cleared. And yeah, this is another room. The second room. And this is the toilet. As you can see, they are cleaning the toilet. And the cubicle is still going to be fixed. So the door to the parlor or the sitting room, then the kitchen, the first room, and then over here is the second room. So now let's go upstairs. So just to clear the air, the bathrooms and toilet are still under construction and they will be fixed with bathtubs and tampered glasses in no distant time. Okay, now the highlight of this house, the most important and interesting thing about this house is that this pool upstairs just gives this house away. Like, now take a look at the beautiful view, take a look at the gorgeous view. Just imagine it in different weathers, like the sunset. So beautiful. Just picture yourself in a vacation in your own home. I don't need to talk too much about it. Just contact us as soon as you make up your mind before you hear sold out. See the sliding door. Then here is the master bedroom. Very, very big. The wardrobe. Very big. Very, very big. Then the master toilet and bedroom. The glass is going to be fixed. The glass and the mirror is going to be fixed very soon. Oh yeah, it's very spacious. Okay. So now, it also comes with, okay, this is another segment of the master bedroom where you can just fix your stuff. And here it comes with a balcony that is just close to the pool area. This is it. Very beautiful. So yeah. So this is that for the master bedroom. Then you can see the finishings are really beautiful. Yeah. So next on, we're going to the next room. This is another room. This is the fourth room we are seeing. Okay. Like I said, we're still doing some works in the bedroom here and it's going to be fixed soon. So yeah, it comes with water heater too. Okay. So now let's go to the next room. This is the wardrobe. Quite spacious and really beautiful. The colors of the doors and everything is just going very well. Now here is the fourth room. Quite spacious. Quite spacious. The view is okay. Then here's another toilet. All rooms in this property comes ensuite. And then now, this is another space. You could use it for your library or whatever. Even your cinema too. You could use it for anything you want to use it for actually. But library could be, or reading room would be better. So yeah, these are all the rooms here. Now in summary, there are 3 rooms upstairs and there are 2 rooms downstairs with the kitchen downstairs as I showed you. So if you are interested in this property, do not waste time to get this gorgeous view. Now that we've seen this property. Like I said, this property is located at Porter Lifestyle Estate, just in Centenary City, Enugu, Nigeria. So this is a very luxurious, very luxurious estate. So you don't want to come. And if you've gotten to this part of the video, please hit the like button, like the video. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, share this video to someone you know will be interested in this property. And if you're interested in more videos like this, please tell me in the comment section and I'm going to bring more to you. See you in my next video.